Hello, welcome back to Vlogmas day 18. Oh my god, Christmas is upon us. Today's video it's gonna be two parts because I've ordered things and they have not arrived, so that's fine. But I want to change up my room because, as you know, I'm starting my new job on Monday. So now my bedroom is not only going to be a space where I sleep and just like live in, but I also have to work in it. Which means I just like want to reorganize a few things. And you can kind of see in the background, like right here, my mirror used to be there. It's now replaced over here. So I'm not backlit. So I can do like pictures in the mirror or just see myself better, or do outfits in the mirror and show you guys, and it won't be looking backlit basically. But I have basically done all the boring stuff off camera. I basically did it all morning and now it's like 3 o'clock and I've just been sitting here, so should probably get this going. So I basically vacuum. Then I vacuumed some more. I dusted and then I dusted some more. And I've done all like the cleaning bit and like the papers that I've like kind of shoved into my drawers. I've taken that all out and recycled most of them. But it's still a work in progress. So let's do a haul first because I bought a few things in this reusable bag. I went to Walmart and Superstore just to find like containers basically, that like plastic or metal containers I could put in my drawers, because that's essentially where I want to organize. And unfortunately I can't go to HomeSense or Marshalls, all those places, because they're closed, because I live in an area that is currently on lockdown. So I find that a lot of the products that I had can't work as well. So from Walmart I bought this non-slip drawer organizer, and it is a durable plastic with removable silicone liner, which is this bit, and it's got silicone feet. I will be returning this because I don't think I need it. One thing I did, instead of going to the dollar store, which I did do, but because the return policy at the dollar store is you can't return anything or exchange anything, I like to go to these places even if it is a couple more dollars, just because I have the option of buying a couple things, trying them out, and then returning them. I bought this, which is a 6-compartment drawer organizer. I wanted to organize where my bras are because I have 2 different types of bras, which is like comfortable and then like my normal regular ones. Obviously I'm wearing my more comfy ones more. I will be returning this bad boy because I'm gonna wait until HomeSense opens up, because I have plans to use my gift card and find something similar in that. I bought this, what is it called? Rubbermaid drawer organizer. Again, it has a non-slip with the little feet. It was just in black. I'm not gonna use that. I got some command strips. Like, this is just like the sticky bits. And then I bought this collapsible drawers, which are just collapsible, what do you call it, like square boxes. I bought some from Superstore that were in black, but they were $7 something from $8, and this was $11.97 for 2, so this is actually cheaper, I believe. Yes, this is cheaper than buying than keeping those Superstore ones, but hopefully these ones will fit. I'll have to see, because they're 11.3 inches, and I'm pretty sure when I measured in my closet 20 inches wide, so I don't know if I can actually fit both of them in there, which is kind of a waste, so we'll see about that. So another thing that I bought was this, you utensil organizer. It's from Walmart. I liked it because it has these like metal grates in it. I didn't want the plasticky looking ones, but my dad just figured out how to put it in here because it wasn't fitting for the longest time, and then he is the smartest man alive and he just opened the drawer more and it fits better. So what, this is kind of full, like with the pencils and things and all this, but a lot of the stuff I don't need access to like right away, like this pencil lead or highlighter. Pens I'll need, but like these pencils, as I mentioned. So I am getting another one that will go in that drawer where you see where that yellow thingy is. It's gonna go in there. So I'm gonna see, I bought something from Amazon and they're just like compartments that you can put together instead of something that's attached like this. This fits in there, so if those compartments don't fit in that plastic drawer, I'll keep them here and I'll just trade them out. So this is basically the mess that I have on my desk, and I'm gonna sort through all of this right now and put them in these two drawers, and then I'm gonna take this bit here and push them here, get rid of that. I do eventually want to get rid of this, as in I just want to put it away. I don't want to like throw it out because I feel like if I was to ever move out or just, it will come in handy in another space. So that is just going to be removed. And I would like to have like a small one of those stools. As I was saying, I just want to have one of those small stools that have a compartment inside. I think it will look very nice walking into my room, and you'll see that there because the mirror's there obviously, and it's like a good space to kind of just sit with the mirror because obviously sometimes that's where I do my makeup. So this is what the room is looking like right now, and can I just say it does look a little better than it did before, and all I did was clean. So I feel like if you need your room like a little refresh, I would highly recommend just like give it a little clean, give it a little dust, because it already feels so much better. And like I'm only buying stuff for like the drawers, I'm not really moving things around. So just a hot tip for you, because it can save you a bit of money. I feel like we're gonna do a time lapse of all this crap. I gotta put this all away because I literally just did a haul for you, but I gotta just figure out how or where or whatever to put in these last two drawers.
And all that happens to me every year.
Finished cleaning that bit up, but look, like I already got, I feel like I need to vacuum again. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like just dust everywhere, and I just vacuumed. Maybe I can figure it out. We'll see. The drawers look good. Another thing I need to tackle today is I would like to reorganize my belts. I kind of half did it. So something I forgot to do in this little haul was I got these Command damage-free hooks. Oh, they're called large brushed nickel double hooks, and this was cheaper than buying a set of 2 Command strips. This was, I think, around 12 bucks, and the other ones, I don't know. No, they were more than 12 bucks. I think they were like 18, but it was still cheaper than buying 2 of these bad boys here. I think they just look so much nicer than the plastic looking ones. So I'm hanging my belts like this. So done this. I'm going to take this last one here and probably just hang it up here because there's 2. It's like an extra space for like new belts if I get basically another one or a few other ones. And I have this canvas bag over here on the ground that kind of just holds my sneaky little snacky doos. I got this like Lancome canvas bag, and I used to hide my what do you call these? These like granola bars. I used to hide them in here, but I don't really eat granola bars as much. But I would like to keep this like canvas bag up here, and I have a few other canvas bags, and that will be the spot for it, so that if I ever need like an extra little bag that isn't my like leather or whatever, like my black tote bag, I can use it for that. So that is what we're gonna work on right now. Looks like, and then the back, it has like this plastic backing so that you don't have to hang it up. So I'm gonna stick it, and it says, one says wall side, the other one says command. So you stick on the command bit. That was bad. Okay. I'm just gonna test out approximately. Looks good, I think. Yeah, that looks good. Smart of me is to actually take like a pencil and put like a little marking, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna freestyle. I feel like that's good. Now let's test this out. Oh, perfect. Cute though, right? Like, got your little tote bag. We've got this. This is off the ground. Those are Christmas presents. It is, I have some craft box, as in like legit crafting stuff. I literally have like my like light here. I live in a very small, tight space. I'm going to see if you can see right at the top here, this is my craft supplies, and then I have, obviously, I think last video I did my ribbon. You can see up here, ribbon, and I don't remember what that last bit is, but it's very new, so I think it's extra ribbon too. I'm gonna see if they will fit underneath this dresser, because then I'm using space there, and I think what I want to do is keep extra purses up there or something else, but I want to free up that space. And I think what I actually might want to do is open this up. I have purses here. Obviously I'm missing one because it's currently on my stool, but maybe take this large one that I don't really use as much, or these ones, like this like gray one, this gray one here, maybe push it up there, just because I basically recycle through 2 bags basically per season. I have this red one. I'm thinking of just giving it away because it's not very useful. It's like almost like a bucket bag where it doesn't have any compartments, and I love a compartment, so I might just be giving that away because it's so hard to like reach in. But what we're gonna do is figure out if that crafting box will actually fit in there, so fingers crossed. So they fit in there. The only thing is, I know like that box was an old one and had so much dust on it. So what I'm thinking is eventually I'm gonna find maybe one of those like fabric containers. You can hear like Kelly Clarkson just blaring. But I think what I'm gonna do is find, you know, those like shoe compartments, or like just those fabric containers that fit under like a bed. I think that will fit under here, and I will be able to just put everything in there, and it'll make it just a little bit easier. There is space in another box for me, because this baby one right here, this cute little baby one that held my dry shampoo, I think, also fits in this drawer. So eventually when I get my other stuff, I'll configure things. The next item, and it's going to be the last one for this video because everything else I have to wait for, or you know, I can't really like do right now. What I'm going to do is, in this closet here, I have an empty space Obviously the lighting isn't very good, but I have this huge empty space. It's completely empty here. My nail polishes are in here. Stuff here is extra electronics, and this is my bikinis or swimsuits. I have a whole bag full of extra like winter socks. So the plan is to take this collapsible, am I even saying that right? Collapsible, see if it will fit in there, and I am going to make space in this closet here. I have just like summer stuff and summer here in Canada is like about 4 months, especially in Ontario it's about 4 or 5 months. We don't have very long winter or summer, so some of the stuff that I have I can't technically fit in, like it's like a waste of space by just putting it in here. And I'm talking about things like these tank tops that I have here, or have these like bicycle like exercise shorts that I really like, you can wear to the gym but like not really, because I wear basically leggings to the gym. Like I can wear this in the summer but not now. So what I'm going to do, or like I have like this I can keep out because I'll wear, which is just it's like a sleeveless mock turtleneck. You can't even see because I'm backlit, but I can wear this like with like basically a shirt underneath or something. But this is kind of hard to wear where it's just like a bodysuit that's like a cami, like legit, like an actual cami bodysuit. You literally can't see anything, but that's fine. Yeah, so we're gonna see if that fits in here. These Dollarama were so ugly, and then I found these ones at a different Walmart because the Walmart close to me also just had like some ugly ass colors. Okay, I have a problem because only one of them will fit and not both of them, and I want both of them to be in there. So I'm gonna go downstairs and grab the other ones from a different store, and maybe I'll have to return this. I literally have the exact same problem where it's just slightly too big and I can't fit a second one in there. You can't even tell because it's like so black. But because this was slightly cheaper, I might just keep this one in there, and then I'm trying to see maybe if it will fit like in here somewhere. See, that's the thing, it's like these are like really, really big. Maybe the other one. Let me see about this boy. Oh, this one I think is slightly, oh yeah. Okay, looks like I'm going to keep the Superstore one and return this Walmart one because this one fits just like better. Yeah, you know, like even if your like coats are slightly squished, it just fits better in your closet. So that's okay. I mean, I'll still get money back for this one anyways. But yeah, I mean, I can like keep another purse basically in there. That's all I have is purses and shoes. But I'm gonna basically clean up all of this. I don't know if I got that in shot. And all of this stuff too. But that's it. Like, that's gonna be it for this video. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing. Probably just some of these returns. I don't think I'll get any more of my Amazon packages anytime soon, just because I don't think it's that quick. But like, it's quick but not that quick, you know. I'll just see you guys tomorrow, so bye.